Yo, what's up? I don't know. What the fuck? You see that shit? Hey! Gang. Who are you? They about to race. I think they're going to like the race spot. Yeah, that is him. Where the fuck is Queen? Oh shit, that wasn't Zach. Yo, that shit looks like Zach's car, yo. I thought it was Zach, but it's not. Vinny, how are you? What's up? Oh, what's up? Yo, yeah. Y'all thought that was Zach's car for a second. You know Zach?
I think it has an H22.
For real? There go my screenshot right there. I want that right there. That's what I want. That's what I was looking for. I don't think he's here yet. Yeah. But I think he's getting like a lot of work done to it. Cause he just got it, right? Do it! What the? This motherfucker playing games and shit. Oh, he's in the car. You gotta do a parking around the shake.
He's nowhere near this shit.
Well,
Not him. He's smarter than Austin.
That's fucking nuts.
He's smarter than my old. I understand. I'm trying to figure out what kind of camera it is.
Melvin!
I want something that's still good, but I've read a lot of good reviews.
Hey, next time. Hey, next time.
I know.
What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is going? She like parked next to the.
Next to the Honda.
Is that who I think it is? This fucking car.
What, the blue one or the white one?
The one. She go. That was it. The motherfuckers over there.
I want to be in the vlog.
Hey.
Hey.
I gotta focus it. It's just slow as shit.
Vlog, bro.
What
Hey,
it?
it was good. Hey, we in the fucking vlog.
Oh, come on. Y'all gotta be louder than that, man.
Oh shit, nigga, you already. Oh,
What?
nigga, you smacked?
No, I'm not even. I'm good, bro.
Hey, he smacked. I'm sorry.
Hey, we rapping Laurel.
Hey, don't worry about
Laurel?
Shut up.
it.
I'm always there for you.
I'm
We
their
rapping
kid.
Laurel.
They're all smacked.
No,
I'm sorry.
I'm good.
Oh, shit. I wish I was too.
Oh, for real? Hey, I got
Shit.
some brownies.
No, I can't no more.
Oh, alright.
I'll fight for you.
Hey, stop putting the. Stop.
Yo, why these motherfuckers in the fucking car?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.